smoothed out frames, timing's where it needs to be. Post-prediction sharper, no more delays. Tracking feels so real, like it's in our DNA. We're building worlds and it's all so clear. Rendering threads are drawing near. Prepare for the ride, it's gonna be smooth. Stable frame rates, got nothing to lose. It's an XR evolution, we're breaking through. Unified hand tracks and faces too. From AR modes to body control, Godot's new world is taking hold. WebXR stronger, got MSAA. Anti-aliasing's here to make the edges sway. Lightmap's make better, Vulkan shining bright. 5v8, it's like sharper through the night. Meta's collaboration pushing the pace. Pass-through filters, gestures fall in place. Composition layers floating clear. 2D menu sharper, bringing UI near. It's an XR evolution, we're breaking through. With unified hand tracks and faces too. From AR modes to body control, Godot's new world is taking hold. Spatial anchors lock the scene. Real world maps blend into the dream. PICO focus magically too. Qualcomm Spaces joins the race. Lynx R1's in view. World's in view. It's an XR evolution, we're breaking through. With hand, face, and body, we see what's true. From Vulkan's light to stylus precision, Godot's next update fuels our vision. Breaking home and hear the call. Floating panels, real and tall. Stay tuned for more, there's always a twist. This open world's too real to resist.